Good morning, Saturday morning. Rip to Sunset Hill today. Hopefully it's gonna be a good ride. Such a huge group, it's hard to get good riding in, but it's already getting hot out here. People are seeking shade and just been an epic time. Crowded, carnage. What do you guys think about all the carnage? So much. Anyways, stay tuned for so much more. freaking awesome. Whatever you got to do to get to Swing Set, to get to Glamis, hitchhike, sell a kidney, do it. It is well worth just the festivities, the excitement, the smells in the air, the taste of the sand, the grit in your eyeballs, all the time. That made the crowd go, oh! Huh? That made the crowd go, oh!
Let's get wild at night, turn up. We're going out tonight. I've been waiting all my life. Every time I go out, I think I found my wife. I can't help it, turn down the lights. I'm gonna take something down tonight. This beat is so hot, that's what it's sounding like. Make you wanna fuck around tonight. I want you in every way. The passion burns and it goes both ways. When we're not together, I'm in pain. The mightiest ocean couldn't put out this flame. I think she coming with me. You wanna say bye before she leaves? Wanna say bye before she leaves? Just drop like autumn leaves. Teardrop, teardrop. Let it make time to breathe. Yeah.
I know that you came to party, baby, 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 baby. Look like we're gonna leave this party with somebody else's lady. I know that you came to party, baby, 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 baby. Look like we're gonna leave this party with somebody else's lady.
Let me buy you a drink. Baby, can I get a dance? I don't even know what to think. Will I ever get a chance? I see you standing by yourself. It's still early, it's only about 12. You have any fun lately? Wake up and say good morning, baby.
As you can see, it got so windy last night. Everyone's picking up, camp is dying down, and it's not good conditions out here right now. Dusty, windy, can't breathe out here. Sucks. Anyways, good old Santa Ana's coming in, and the dunes look cool. Hopefully it's the belt, nothing else. No smoke or nothing, so we'll see.